See, I have the meter that we take out the belly because we don't want him to rusty, you understand? Yeah, that is it right there. Yeah, people, so we're here with the electrician again. Fixing up the dream house, you know what I mean? Electrician. What you say? Last lap, you on?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so. Boss have a drawbox right here, so. Yeah, take the wire from the light post. So you put in couple inch and quarter pipe with some 3/4. 3/4 for the internet, you know what I mean? So we're using 2 meters. So we have the post around here, so guys. Yeah, so we kind of backfill this here already. So we have that here to finish up, then backfill it. So we have a 9x9 drawbox right over there, so yeah. So I have the meter that we take out the belly because we don't want him to rusty, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so electrician and the last lap. Finish up, flash up the drawbox, and we're through with this. So we show you what is happening on the other side. Yep. So the main pipe coming from the drawbox right to the breaker panel. That is it right there. So we have plugs them flash up and stuff like that. And this is what we did today. Connect all the piping for switch plugs. So we have them flash up right over there. Yep. Adding extra plug in the room as well. So we're inside the bathroom right now, peeps. Yeah. So we have a plug right there. And we have a box for the heater. Just the same. That is it. So we're in the back room right now. Rough cast the back room the other day. So we have the plugs them put in and stuff like that. Yeah. Our TV wall right over here, so to guys. That is it. Come on, so we have the window dress up as well in the back room. Doorway dress up already. Ready to install frame. Window ready to install. We are hyper camera for here and go. Oh, yeah, we know it. Right pan here I go. So we have this here to flash up right now. That is what we're getting at. One more switch to flash up as well and complete inside. How the electrical works.
Yeah, like him if you kill him out.
That is it, man. Backfilling the ear, you understand that? But no, no. Work from morning, you understand? time to shut off this evening.
Juice. 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 Juice.
Don't come over here.